With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a tachometer, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, heated door mirrors, and much more. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.